Right, hello everybody. So a quick repair video for you guys today. If you got one of these Meganes, a common problem is on the electric windows. What happens is when you press the button, it only goes down a little bit at a time, like that. It won't go all the way, whether it's going up or down. You've got to keep pressing it like that. Fortunately, there's a quick repair for that. I'm going to show you how. Okay, so start by ensuring that the window is all the way to the top, and then press the up button and keep it pressed there for about 5 seconds, like that, and then that should reset the system and it should now work fine. Let's try it. There you go. Sorted. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please check out our other Renault Megane videos, which you might also find useful, and also please consider subscribing to us. Subscribing costs you nothing, but it does enable us to earn a little bit of revenue through the YouTube partner program, which in turn will enable us to carry on making videos, which will hopefully in turn help you. So thank you very much.